In this video, we are going to look at inverse of functions. Suppose we are asked to find the inverse of the function, f of x equals 2x, minus 1. To solve this, first we replace f of x with y. So the expression can be written as y equals 2x, minus 1. Next we swap x and y to have x equals 2y, minus 1. Going further, we solve y in terms of x, that is making y the subject of the formula. To achieve this, we take 1 to the left, leaving only the term in y on the right. Since 1 is negative, going to the left will make it positive. So we have x plus 1 equals 2y. Next we divide through by 2, 2 will cancel 2, and we are left with y equals x plus 1 over 2. Now replace y with inverse of f of x. And the answer will be inverse of f of x equals x plus 1 over 2. Let's look at another question. Find the inverse of f of x equals 2x, minus 1 over 3x plus 2. First we replace f of x with y, so that we have y equals 2x, minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Next, swap x and y, and the expression will become x equals 2y, minus 1 over 3y plus 2. Next, we make y the subject of the formula. To achieve this we cross-multiply to have x times 3y plus 2 equals 1 times 2y, minus 1. Next, we open the bracket. On the left side we have x times 3y, which is 3xy, and x, times, plus 2, which is plus 2x, equals 1 times 2y, which is 2y, and 1 times, minus 1, which is minus 1. Going further, we take 2y to the left side and 2x to the right. Since 2y is positive, going to the left side will make it negative. And also 2x going to the right will be negative since it is positive. So that we have 3xy, minus 2y equals minus 2x, minus 1. Next we factor out y on the left side. Factoring y from 3xy will leave us with 3x, and from minus 2y will leave minus 2, equals minus 2x, minus 1. Next, we divide through by 3x, minus 2. 3x, minus 2 will cancel out, and we are left with y equals minus 2x, minus 1 over 3x, minus 2. Then, we replace y with f inverse of x. So that our answer will be f inverse of x equals minus 2x, minus 1 over 3x, minus 2. Which can also be written as inverse of f of x equals minus 2x plus 1 over 3x, minus 2. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. If f of x equals 5x minus 2, find f inverse of minus 1. Let's go ahead and solve. First we find f inverse of x before finding f inverse of minus 1. To find f inverse of x, we replace f of x with y, so that y equals 5x minus 2. Next we swap x and y. Swapping x and y will give us x equals 5y minus 2. Next we make y the subject of the formula. To achieve this, we will take 2 to the left. Since 2 is negative, going to the left will make it positive. So we have x plus 2 equals 5y. Next we divide through by 5. Dividing through by 5 will leave us with y equals x plus 2 over 5. Going further, we replace y with f inverse of x. Doing so we have f inverse of x equals x plus 2 over 5. Now, to find f inverse of minus 1, we replace x with minus 1. So that f inverse of minus 1 equals minus 1 plus 2 over 5. On the numerator, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Hence, f inverse of minus 1 is equal to 1 over 5. If f of x equals x squared minus 4, find f inverse of 5. Let's go ahead and solve. First we find f inverse of x, before we can find f inverse of 5. To find f inverse of x, we replace f of x with y, so that y equals x squared minus 4. Next we swap x and y. Swapping x and y will give us x equals y squared minus 4. Next we make y the subject of the formula. To achieve this, we take 4 to the left, for going to the left will make it positive since it is negative. This implies that x plus 4 equals y squared. Next we take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of both sides will give us y equals square root of x plus 4. Next we replace y with f inverse of x. Doing so will give us f inverse of x equals square root of x plus 4. Now, to find f inverse of 5, we substitute x equals 5. It follows that f inverse of 5 equals square root of 5 plus 4, which equals square root of 9. Square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Hence, f inverse of 5 equals plus or minus 3. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Thanks.